The unseasonal rain that had followed the Grenadier team so far on their testing journey through the remote trails of South Australia had quickly become a once-in-a-100-year event. Towns in the region had received the same amount of rain in a week that they usually do in a year, with widespread flooding to surrounding plains and washing out the cross-country rail network.
Yeah. And then it's less maintained, so it's a bit rough. A bit bloody wants a grade, but it's not
the smooth part apparently. Yeah.
The only road in and out of Tarcoola was among the many in the region that were cut off due to floodwaters, leaving the team stranded until the water had cleared and the road was repaired. Undeterred, the Grenadier team pressed on and continued their testing, determined to finish the journey which they'd set out to complete. Due to the intense rainfall and subsequent torrents of runoff, it had created uniquely challenging conditions for the Grenadier, which the team were quick to throw at the vehicle and put to the test. The rare mix of outback terrain and heavy rainfall had created an unsurpassable quagmire that was enough to catch out even the most hardcore of vehicles. Luckily, a capable 4x4 and a knowledgeable team were close by to lend a helping hand.
I'm ready to go. I'll take up attention now.
The journey back to the Grenadier's base could begin, but the hardest challenge the team would face on this trail was yet to come.
We've got no roads, no railway. It's going to be fun.